Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com coming to you with a review of Spencer Mecham's Affiliate Secrets 2.0 course. Okay, right off the bat, I want to answer all the questions I think you would have. Also, let you know that if you do have interest in Spencer's course and do buy from my link, there are lots of bonuses that I have to offer. I'll go through those in a minute. It's to your advantage if you're going to buy the course to buy through me. Versus his direct link, because I will give you some additional bonuses that will benefit you greatly. Okay, so I want to make this very quick. I've seen other review videos where they leave me like they don't answer my question. Like when I hop on, I want to review something. I want to see inside. I want to see if it's worth it. So I'll say this, number one, if you are very interested in affiliate marketing, if you are a beginner or if you are kind of think you know what you're doing, for either one of you, I would buy the course if you are going to take action. Okay, right off the bat, I'll tell you it costs $897. You do have access once you buy this course. He will be doing an Affiliate Secrets 3.0. You will get access to that course if you do it. But don't drop $897 on a course if you are not going to follow through and do what's in there. I know a lot of us buy lots of courses and don't end up doing it. I actually really enjoy this course because I use it as a reference point, and I've gone back and forth on it various times. So if you click my link, this is what you see first. Basically, here's a little funnel explaining what it is. But I want to jump right in, dive right in. So one, I'm just going to answer this question up front. Is it worth it to buy Affiliate Secrets 2.0? If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, you can basically learn a lot of the stuff that Spencer talks about by going to YouTube. You're just going to have a really hard time gathering all the information and putting it in one spot. And so the amount of time you save, and then for those of you who don't know who Spencer Mecham is, he's the #1 ClickFunnels affiliate. He's a dream car winner multiple times over there. Also with Bill Doral, he was a dream car winner. A lot of the big software companies, Spencer Mecham is the man. Okay, I'm going to take you in real quick, let you see what's in this course. You click here. You click on this button to purchase it. Again, it's $897, right? Okay, what happens when you get in? There's two modules. There's a 2.0 and the module 3. It says I've gone through 40% of it. That's because there's some pieces I haven't touched it on the traffic side. So the 2.0, let's pop in there real quick. Have it here. 2.0 basically goes over affiliate marketing from the beginning. Gives you an overview of what it is, how it works, searching versus selling. Talks about niche, how you decide what niche. He doesn't go too much into that. He just basically says, you know what, you need to figure out there's a niche that you want to go after. Let's say make money online, and then there's a sub niche. Maybe you're going after people who want to make money online and they're young dads. Okay. He talks about traffic. For this one, he actually says, you know what, there's actually a lot to do with traffic, and so he sends you to this 3.0, module 3, excuse me, which is all about traffic. Talks about value and how to get people to exchange an email. Talks a lot about building that email list. And he focuses really heavily on the fact that email is your asset. If you guys do not know that you want to be capturing email lists, it is your greatest asset online. He talks about the importance of funnels, using ClickFunnels. There's some products he goes over. He actually has, I'm not going to click on it because then you can see the link, and I don't want you to see the link, but he talks about some of the offers that he promotes. And actually, as one of my bonuses, you'll actually get this ultimate list. It's not the same as Spencer's. Some of them might be similar, but I'll actually give you as a bonus an even bigger ultimate list of lifetime recurring affiliate commissions. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to be getting recurring commission, and you want it to be a good chunk. You want it to be like 40%, 30%, 20%, not 4% from Amazon. Okay. Again, dig in real quick so you can see the inside of this course. He talks about email marketing, does a really good job of how to do soap opera sequences, Seinfeld sequences, and if you don't know what those are, that's exactly why you want to be in this course. Spencer loves Active Campaign. What I will say is if you want to do affiliate marketing, it's going to be very tough to jump in with Active Campaign. If you already have an Active Campaign account, you've been grooming it, and you just sending good emails without any mention of affiliate or making money online or offers, you'll probably be okay. But if you're starting from scratch, I would recommend you use GetResponse or Aweber, because they allow affiliate marketing, and they're okay with the Active Campaign. They're really not. You're gonna have to be under the radar or be like a Spencer, who's like a top affiliate, and they're not gonna probably shut them down because they know he provides lots of value. So lots about email marketing here. Spencer also has a free email marketing course. Some of this might be the same thing. Module on outsourcing, and then, which I didn't find as interesting, maybe because I'm not there yet, but this is probably something I'll go back to when I'm more at that point of needing to do outsourcing. And here's some case studies on people and how they use AdWords to get the dream car and how they're using YouTube. And this bonus collection, when you do sign up for the course, you actually get a whole free white labeled ClickFunnels course, which means, if you don't know, you can actually give that away as a bonus to people and say, hey, there's this ClickFunnels training, A to Z. And one thing Spencer does know is he does know ClickFunnels. He's incredible at funnels, and he basically builds everything from scratch. He gives you some email sequences for some of his for new ClickFunnels trials. Also, something interesting I'm seeing right now, which again, I come back to this course often and use stuff over and over, and sometimes I forget what's in here. He has email sequences he uses to sell some of his top products, and I'm actually building out an email sequence right now, trying to figure out what products I want to use. And so I'm actually going to look at this and see what products he's having success with. There's some bonus funnels he gives you, some share funnels, and again, a lot of this stuff, as I go back in, I'm like, huh. And then an affiliate marketing white label course. That's another course you can use and give away. Okay, so that's, again, there's a lot here. A lot of good stuff. Let's jump to the traffic piece. Again, there's two pieces. There's the 2.0, and then he realized traffic was a huge piece of what affiliate marketing is, and so he goes into a whole different course on that. And actually was spending some time here. This is the one on Pinterest with Kara Ferwerda, and she actually does a great job. I actually know Pinterest pretty well, and I literally spent 2 minutes beforehand just kind of diving into this a little more, and she knows her stuff. Like, some stuff I did not know, and I'm like, man. So very, very valuable information here. Let's click out of this. So he has a module on YouTube. YouTube I consider one of my specialties. Spencer, he's close to 10,000 subscribers. If you follow what he does on YouTube, you will have success. He provides value on YouTube, teaches, and then what he does is he offers a free course. But what does he do? He collects your email, and then he gets you into his email sequence, okay? And then he starts, sending soap opera sequences, and then he sells you products. Okay, so YouTube, this is huge. AdWords is by far the biggest module, or I would say the one he has the most expertise in is his AdWords. That's how he basically won his dream car. A lot of this, let me rephrase this. Some of this is probably going to be modified in that, ClickFunnels just recently came out and said you can't bid on trademarked words like ClickFunnels or .com secrets. Anything that is like a product, you can't use that in Facebook advertising. And so if he ever does mention that here, you got to adjust that. But he goes through keyword search, AdWords interface, what stats you really need to be looking at, how to set up campaigns, ad groups, and ads, all this stuff. Okay, it's very in-depth. It's the best AdWords training I've ever taken. I've never paid for one, but I don't need to because I have this now. You also get a solo ads training. He doesn't go super deep into solo ads because solo ads really aren't that complex. But what he does is he has this little it says where to get solo ads, and I'll leave that. I won't click on that just because that's kind of inside info. But he lists who he recommends you buy solo ads from, and that makes a big difference, guys. There is nothing more contested than solo ads. People say it's the spammiest thing in the world and don't use them. Other people say it's the best thing ever. Well, one of the best things ever. And it really just depends on who you use. And there's a lot of, one of the guys in particular that he recommends, I've started using, and I can vouch for the fact that this list he's vetted and it works. And some guys have high integrity. I want to mention that as well. If you're considering this course and you're worried about trust or integrity, Spencer is someone you can trust. He's high integrity, a man of faith, a good guy. Okay, he's a really good guy. This Instagram one talks about Josh Ryan. I actually haven't even touched it. But Josh Ryan used to run Spencer's account and a bunch of other successful guys' accounts. And then Quora I haven't used as well, but these are kind of untapped territories. Quora and Pinterest are ones that, and even on the ad piece, you talk about Bing. Some of these it's got some good information where if you can jump in now, you're kind of ahead of the game. This Facebook groups by Johnny West, haven't gone through the whole thing, but listen, I went through the first piece about how to pick a name. It was incredible. Like, this guy, he knows his stuff, and totally made sense. I went through and I was actually going on Facebook groups and seeing what he was talking about, and what he was saying, it was true, and I actually picked my name based on what he was telling me to do. Great info there. He has one on building a bot list. I didn't even know that. Guys, again, let me reiterate this. You know, when you buy a course, you're not going to be able to go through probably in a day or two. But I was about to buy a bot course, and now I don't have to because I kind of just forgot that I was in here. So if you're ever going to buy a course, stop and go back into Spencer's course and make sure it's not already in there. Facebook ads. This was incredible. Jeremy Atkinson, he's I live in Utah. He does too. Really good guy. He knows Facebook ads, and he goes through the whole process of setting up pixels, doing events and codes, building a custom audience. And I watched it all, and I'm going to need to watch it again. But don't buy a Facebook ads course if you're going to buy this course, because it's in here, okay? What Spencer did is he paid like thousands of dollars for each of these traffic methods for people to come on. So let me clarify. You know, he did his part of the course, but then he wanted a core expert. He wanted an Instagram expert. He wanted a Facebook groups expert. He wanted a Facebook ads expert. He wanted a Pinterest expert. So he got Kara in. So he brought all these people in, paid them to create their piece, and then put it into the course. So Pinterest, guys, I have another blog, and Pinterest is huge. I use that a lot. And I just started passiveautomation.com, and I'm trying to kind of replicate what I did on my other blog, but I'm learning so much more. I literally just started watching like one piece on group boards, and I was kind of blown away and like, wow, definitely need to start looking into this. Okay, so guys, is Spencer's course worth the $897? Okay, I would say absolutely, because you get the 3.0 and the 4.0, whatever comes, he's going to be updating it. But this is what I would recommend, okay? If you want to have success in affiliate marketing, buy one course, okay? Decide what that course is going to be. If you've already bought a course or two, don't keep buying courses. What you need to do is you need to start implementing. I'm going to be completely upfront with you, okay? I'll have an affiliate link down below. I'll get a commission off whether you buy Spencer's course or not, but I don't want you buying a course if you're not going to take action. If you are going to take action, and you want to have success, this is a great course. It walks through a ton of things you can do. Has a lot of bonuses, white label courses you can give away as lead gen, so you can get an email list. Okay, as I said before, it's a great reference point. I've had this for 3 months, and I keep going back and looking at stuff again, and then kind of realizing, oh wow, I actually have a free white label course I can give away, or oh look, I have an email swipe with all the products I can use, or oh look, I have training on bot messenger stuff I can use. Okay, so definitely get it if you are going to take action. But forget this course. I'm giving you affiliate marketing advice. Stick with one mentor. Okay, if it's going to be Jacob Karras, have it be Jacob Karras. If it's going to be Franklin Hatchett, have it be Franklin Hatchett. If it's going to be Deadbeat Dad, have it be Deadbeat Dad. But if it's going to be Spencer Mecham, buy his course and stick with Spencer Mecham, and don't have 17 different mentors, okay? Just really quickly, some of the bonuses I will give you if you purchase through my link. I'll give you access to the Tier 5 software. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much all the hype right now. You get robo-contact, domain leads, invoicing you, Magic Zap, sticky reviews, link wizard. So the total, I mean, that's $300, $500, $600, $700, about $800 worth of software you will get for free. And I mean, you can go through, contact me, and I can tell you what it all does. But RoboContact, it gets you leads, domain leads. It gives you all the information on everyone who registers for a domain, so you can reach out to them based on your niche and your what you're doing for your company. Sticky reviews. Link Wizard kind of works like ClickMagick. So if you're using ClickMagick, you can use Link Wizard. Could save you some money. Sticky reviews is kind of like FOMO or Proof. Some of these apps where you go on a page and it pops up with proof of someone buying, kind of social proof. Okay. The other thing I'm going to give you is the CF Share Funnel Library if you want it. It's over 40 share funnels that you can use. Another bonus I'll give you is the ultimate list of recurring affiliate programs again. Spencer has one, but this is another one. Just the more information, the better. Another thing I'll give you is a $1 million ad swipe library. Jeremy talks about Facebook ads. With this information here, I'm going to give you, you can see all the Facebook ads from all, Dan Henry, Liz Benny, Drew Manning, Kevin David, Russell Brunson, all these big players. I'll give you all of their ads that are the top ads, and you can kind of see what they're doing, and that'll help you out. Okay, yeah, this is the Pinterest module. I was kind of looking at some stuff. Okay, there you have it, guys. Affiliate Secrets 2.0, $897. Do I recommend you buy it? Huge thumbs up if you're going to take action. If you're not going to take action, or if you already bought 10 courses, don't buy another one. Don't waste your time. Do reach out to me. The last thing I'll say as far as bonuses, I will let you have unlimited contact with me, unlimited email or Voxer. I'll give you access to my Voxer, which is a walkie-talkie app. More than willing to help you out and be there for you. I want to see you have success, and I want to help you along the way. I'll also give you access to my Facebook group, private Facebook group where we talk about affiliate marketing. There you go. Any questions, please leave a comment in the below. Again, I'll give my affiliate link in the top part of the description and in my first comment. Click on it, check it out. If you have any questions, you're on the fence, I will be honest with you. Just send me, leave a comment. I'm not going to want you to buy it just for the money because, I bought it upon recommendation. I'm glad I did, but I see some people who probably shouldn't buy it just based on their behavior patterns and if they bought 10 courses before. Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com signing off, and we'll see you guys next time.